Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make movie reviewer in C++. So I have an std vector with another vector. I have a multi-dimensional vector array with movies. If I would also include a string. Now I want to add a new movie, movies.push hj, ll. Whoops, I meant movies.push back. There we go. Now instead of stdc outing this, I could write movies dot at 0 dot at 0. This gets the first element of movies, which is here, and since this is an array, this also gets the first element of this array, so it should print hj. This is the movie, this is the description. So this is HJLLL. This is HLHLLL. HJ. HJK. Now I have multiple arrays. Now I have multiple elements. Now I'll add the reviewing thing. For int I 0, I is less than movies dot size I plus plus std cin and you get a new std vector, which is an integer called review std cin review dot at I Anyways, let's initialize this with some elements. Anyways, after that, after this, alright, I just push back some reviews. Review.pushback 0, review.pushback 5, and review.pushback 8. Now I can look through each element. For each of these I will print. First I'll print movie dot at 0 description movie dot at 1. Finally rating movie dot at oops, I meant review dot at I. Oh yeah, I also put some put 2 new lines. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.